Hi guys, welcome to another midweek episode. This is actually going to be the main video for this week because unfortunately I can't get out. So what I thought I'd do is, like in the title suggests, mail call. Somebody sent me a gift certificate for Firebox.com, which is a US based sort of outdoor company. So if you don't know Firebox, they supply things like bush stoves and billy cans and so forth. So one of my subscribers very kindly sent me a gift certificate because in one of my previous videos when I was talking about my cook set, and I was saying about my billy can not having it had plastic clips instead of the metal ones. They suggested get yourself one of these that's got the metal clips. So, but I managed to get something else as well because he was particularly generous. So thank you very much. So it arrived today, and I don't normally do these type of videos where I'm unboxing, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to unbox it because I got something else that I've been actually secretly been after for quite a while, but me personally I couldn't quite justify spending the money on the second item that's in here. So we're going to see it as, or you're going to see it as I'm seeing it. Loads of packaging. There we go. Wow. 16cm billy can. That's huge. With the clip lid. Cool. I'm a little bit surprised. I actually ordered this, the 12cm one, the smaller one. So I wasn't expecting the really big one, to be honest. So it's the Zebra. It is actually the Zebra billy can, and they've got Firebox sticker in there. You do get plate. Oh, they pull out like that, I suppose. So you still get the dish and that. Okay. Oh, I sort of got more for my money then, really. Yeah, clips together like that. Cool. So then the other part, the other thing that I ordered, no delivery note in there. Nope. Is this? I just fell out. Comes with a little bit of a bag, so that's, I got one of these. I have been after one of these for a good while, and this is the stainless steel one. And it's the flat, so like the flat pack bush stove. So that just folds down like that. That's an ash pan, somehow goes underneath. There we go. Is it? Yeah. to figure this out. Oh, there we go, it goes from the back. I think. Oh, it goes that way. There we go. Right, sort of sits in like that. And then you can either pull them across that way, like that I guess. Yeah, when I've seen these I actually thought these were square, they're not, they're a little bit, like that's sort of like an angle, like that. But there's a good amount of space in there, you know, to get a decent fire going in there. Get some good embers. And you can feed it at the front there, that's one thing I like about it, and there's plenty of slots for air in there. And these can, you know, can adjust these at different heights. So you can stand the billy cannon in there. Cool. So what else do we get? Little like cloth pouch for it to sit in. Another sticker, fireboxstove.com. Yeah, billy can. It is on the order 12cm and they have sent the 16cm, but oh well. And the bush stove. Thank you for purchasing the folding stove, folding firebox stove. Instructions for your new folding stove can be found online or the back of this. Firebox stove caution and maintenance. How to use your folding firebox stove. And there's a bit on here about like some accessories and that you can add to it. Cool. So the next thing is I need to just get out and test it when I can get out and test it. Well, that's my Swiss Army Forester knife if you're interested. Yeah, work at the moment is chaotic. We've got a couple of people that have left, so I am working virtually every day between now and like coming up to Christmas. Land Rover is in for it's having a new transmission done. Hopefully I will get that back on Monday. I need to phone up the garage tomorrow to see how things are going with it. So yeah, so I'll be picking that up Monday. Monday is pretty much the only day I've got Sunday, Monday off. But yeah, it might be like Monday afternoon I have to pick it up, I don't know. So but as soon as I get some time I shall get back out to camp where I've been building that camp and do a bit more up on there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So big thank you Brian for allowing me to be able to get, you know, these cool items, and yeah, so thanks for that guys. Hope you like what I've sent you as well, because I've sent you a little something out for your support as a thank you. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. I'll just say thanks to all my subscribers and hope you enjoyed this, you know, just a little video. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.